Hello students, we are continuing with the water absorption. So firstly, water absorbing organ. We all know that roots are water absorbing organs. Roots absorb water from the root hairs. So absorption of water in plants occurs through roots, mainly root hairs. Now absorption of water by root hairs or water uptake. The absorption of water by the plants is also known as water uptake. There are two mechanisms of water absorption or water uptake. These mechanisms are active water absorption and passive water absorption. Firstly, we go with our first absorption, that is active water absorption. What is active water absorption? When the water is absorbed due to the activity of root itself. Particularly the root here is called active absorption, means when the cell is their own self active. Firstly, the nearer is imbibed on the firstly the water is imbibed on the cell wall surface of the root or root hairs. Water molecules cross the cellulose cell wall by diffusion down the concentration gradient and then came in contact with plasma membrane. The water molecule enter into the cell by passing through plasma membrane by means of osmosis. Water continues to outer the root hair cell as long as water potential of the root cell sap is more negative than that of the soil solution. So active water absorption, when the activity of root is their own self active, and this process active water absorption occurs by the processes of diffusion and osmosis. You all know about the diffusion and osmosis. Now we have passive water absorption. Passive water absorption. Under a condition of passive water absorption, the factors originating the upper part of the plant play an important role in water uptake, and the root cells play a passive role. Passive water absorption is regulated by transpiration activity. Transpiring plants allow water vapor to evaporate from the leaf cell and diffuse rapidly into the air outside the leaf. As the water is lost from the leaf cell, the turgor pressure drops rapidly and ultimately withdraw with water from the adjacent xylem cells. So what is water absorption? In this the root hairs or root are not their own self active, but there is the process of transpiration. What is transpiration now? Loss of water. When the loss of water, it uh, give the stress to the roots, so roots absorb the water. Thank you students.